morning, everybody, and thank you for coming. Today, we're here at Fire Station 18 to recognize several members of the community, one of them being District 5 City Councilor Cynthia Borrego. We're also here to recognize a representative from AMAFCA and also the Taylor Ranch Neighborhood Association. City Councilor Cynthia Borrego has been very generous with Albuquerque Fire Rescue, and today we're here to exhibit another example of that. So with that, I would like to introduce City Councilor Cynthia Borrego.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for coming out on this beautiful day. Today we're happy to exhibit our new, most recent landscaping for Fire Station 18. And I have been working with the chief to ensure that we worked also with a AMAFCA who was cleaning out one of our local arroyos and contributed some of the rock for this landscape job. And actually they gave it to us for free. And in addition to that, I put $12,000 of my set aside to landscape a 40-year-old entrance that basically the roots of the trees were growing down under the foundation of the building. So there was some work that had to be done to excavate those roots of those trees and ensure that we came up with a nice entrance to this facility that hadn't been done in many, many years. And I think this shows that 3 agencies were able to work together, City Council, AMAFCA, and the fire department to come up with something that will benefit the neighborhood for years to come. And so with that, I'm happy to have worked with the fire station captain and also the chief and Deputy Chief Eakes as well, who helped hire actually the architect who did the landscaping for us and created the plan. So with that, I'd just like to introduce the chief, Paul Dow, and I think he is also going to introduce our AMAFCA representative who worked cooperatively with us.
Albuquerque Fire Rescue is very blessed. We have incredible firefighters that serve this community. We have an amazing union and IAF Local 244, so thank you for everything that you do for us as well. We have a great city administration, and we have city councilors that support us at every level of our departments. And Councilor Borrego leads those city councilors in her support for Albuquerque Fire Rescue. In fact, just in the last 18 months, she supported us with $9,000 for Lucas devices that we have in all of our rescues. She has bought a brush truck over at Station 22, thermal imaging cameras for every station in her district, stations 18, 21, and 22s. She has supported us in helping to fund a new roof over at Station 21 by Cibola High School. And of course, what we're here today to talk about the landscaping here at Station 18. Councilor Borrego and I have regular conversations about the needs of Albuquerque Fire Rescue, and I know that landscaping may not seem like a pressing need to some people, but for this station it actually is. We were having plumbing issues, not only in the irrigation, but it was actually affecting the foundation of this fire station, and we needed to do something with that. So worked with Councilor Borrego, and again, she used some of her set-aside money and helped us to re-landscape this station. She's a great partner for Albuquerque Fire Rescue. We are very blessed to have her, and I really appreciate you. Councilor, thank you so much. All right, with that, I want to go ahead and introduce from AMAFCA, Mr. Bennett. Thank you.
My name is Nolan Bennett, and I'm with the Albuquerque Metropolitan Arroyo Flood Control Authority, or AMAFCA, and we coordinate a lot with AFR, and whether it's through the Swiftwater Rescue, whether it's working to fight fires, we do many things with AFR, and we're a great opportunity to collaborate with them and have an opportunity to provide boulders for this important improvement to Fire Station 18. Like I said, we coordinate with them on many, many different activities, and it's a great opportunity for multiple agencies to work together in order to beautify the neighborhood and continue the collaboration that saves lives and saves property. Many people know us by the AMAFCA Tumbleweed Snowman, and we maintain hundreds of facilities around the city. However, it is work with AFR and others that works to protect life and property through fighting fires and also through saving lives through the swift water rescue and other activities. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So we also have a representative from several people actually from the Taylor Ranch Neighborhood Association. So with that, I'll bring one of the representatives up. Thank you so much.
Oh,
Go
thank
ahead.
you. Hello, my name is Renee Horvath. I'm with the Taylor Ranch Neighborhood Association, and we really do appreciate Councilor Borrego in coordinating this event and solving a problem with the landscape, because we do appreciate our fire department. They've been here ever since I've been here, since 1982, and I've witnessed them put out several fires in our neighborhood, and they've always been very community oriented. And also, I knew people in the fire department that worked on the Bosque fires back in 2003. So we consider our fire department heroes, and we appreciate doing something very nice for them and help solve a problem with their landscape. So thank you.
Thank you, Renee. If anybody else has any questions for any of the people that spoke, we can do some one-on-ones. We can also take a look at some of the repairs that were done to the outside of the station. Does anybody have any questions for anyone? No?
Just for the chief, but I can get that after.
Sure. We can do some one-on-ones after. Thank you.